magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Or in English, sa mga hindi nakakaunawa, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to everyone. To all of you, whenever you are watching this video, I am Papa Adnan of Templong Antuan ng Lunting Agama. And I am here again to tell something. Hilot Academy was established as a ministerial center and now become formally an educational institution of the Shrine under Bahay Sentarang Binabaylan Incorporated, which is also a ministry of Tinagama. The reason why we established Hilot Academy is for the purpose of preservation of our healing lineage. Indeed, Hilot Academy is not just an ordinary school of Hilot that after you finish or completed the course, you go on your way without any assistance from us. Since the Hilot that we are teaching is based on our family lineage, the Hilot Academy, Luntiang Agama, make a policy of monitoring our students. If you are just an ordinary Hilot Binabaylan practitioner that graduated the basic techniques, um, we we encourage you to update, to have an upgrade of your skills. This is why we have created different courses on which you could level up. We don't just provide the teachings to anyone. At least we encourage every people to register or to apply because we could not just give the treasures of our family, of our lineage to anyone. And Hilot is our indigenous healing arts and science. That is the difference, the main difference of modern school to a traditional one. We are lineage based and we are not just a standardized curriculum that needs to be accredited. And this is why we are not being accredited and we stand autonomous, uh, not being controlled by the government. no? I have prepared a speech to everyone regarding the topic that I'm sharing to you. So let allow me to read this. So I am Arman, founder of Hilot Academy of Binabaylan that is based here in the Philippines and creator of the Hilot Binabaylan training program. For most of my life, I have studied, practiced, preserved, and shared Hilot and Filipino ancestral healing. This is not simply a collection of techniques. It is a living lineage carried through discipline, service, cultural responsibility, ethical conduct, and accountability to those who came before us. The Hilot Binabaylan program was created to prepare practitioners who can carry these teachings with knowledge, integrity, and respect. Attending a class does not automatically make someone a teacher, lineage holder, or certifying authority. Authorization must be earned through continued study, demonstrated competency, ethical practice, good standing, and written approval from the appropriate schools and lineage holders. You may see individuals on our official website, which is hilotacademy.com, identified as under review or not in good standing. Under review means a person's current status, conduct, completion, requirement, or authorization is being formally evaluated. It is not by itself a final determination. Not in good standing means that the individual is not currently authorized uh, to represent, teach, certify, or use the name and authority of Hilot Academy of Binabaylan that is here in the Philippines or the Hilot Binabaylan program. A person may have withdrawn voluntarily or may have been released under applicable policies, agreements, and standards. These notices are not published to shame, attack, or erase anyone's personal knowledge. We do not claim ownership over all traditions. We are protecting the distinct curriculum, materials, ceremonial frameworks, and lineage-based teachings entrusted to our care. Preservation requires more than teaching. Teaching, it requires boundaries. Without accountability, a lineage can be altered, misrepresented, or used without proper preparation. We honor our ancestors by protecting what they entrusted to us. We honor our students by maintaining clear standards, and we honor the public by making it possible to distinguish between independent practices and officially authorized lineage instruction. For confirmation of any practitioner's current standing, you may contact me or see our website, hilotacademy.com, to our official channels. So this is all that I want to share with you. And I hope that you understand. And remember, Hilot Academy is not just an ordinary school of massage, but we are a lineage-based ecclesiastical learning center so that we could preserve the indigenous Filipino healing arts and science.